Hey, it's Antti. Today we will have a photo shoot with my good friend Laura. Where's Laura? There's Laura. She just turned 30. 20. I think it's a giveaway if we have a 30 balloons that says 30. So we will have a fun photo shoot because she's a stylist, and we decided to do a photo shoot that she's gonna take things kind of overboard, and we will see what will happen. So we will start putting stuff together. Howdy ho. So we have been shooting with this beauty now for half an hour.
Yeah, quite.
So I'm just going to show you slightly the setup, if it's okay with you.
Yeah, of course.
So my main flash in a way is here. So that's Elinchrom 4x4 square with the grid. So that's will be hitting like this. Don't eat my finger. Don't pull my finger. Half of that face, and then, you know, kind of narrowing down here. Then I'm kind of evening out the shadows with the gel. So here's a blue gel hitting that lastolite thing, just filling all the shadows. I tried also to use that backflash over there to kind of give a separation, but the light is bouncing really cool from all the balloons. So I don't need basically the separation at the moment, so it looks pretty cool. I will show you how it looks actually if I have some pictures on the laptop. So it will look something like this. So it's slightly glittery, glittery thing. Kind of. But I think she's kind of a glittery herself. She's doing a lot of our stylings in our photo shoot and doing the makeup. And if you have seen my pictures, the Handmaid's Tale, she's basically an actor herself. Or then, if you remember my last Clean Air on Earth, she's also that person. She made all the makeup herself, and I mean and you made the Handmaid's Tale costume too, right?
Yeah.
I'm glad to have these kind of friends, and I'm really happy that there's that guy too. That's Juho. That's so it's great to have an assistant on set too. So we will continue now with the. I think we will have some confetti explosions, and we will need to clean up our after that.
Where's our confetti actually?
This is what you do when you have that kind of a friend and that kind of a friend. Now you can pick.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Thanks.
So the photo shoot is done. We made a big mess, as you can see. But I think it was a pretty fun time, right?
Yeah.
So we have to do a bit of a cleaning now. And then, because it's Friday, I think it's off to the weekend. So, and as always, if you like these videos, put a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment on what you thought about our birthday photo shoot. I think it was a great time. You can see how my feet looks. So I'm glittery on my feet. So we have to do some cleaning now and then off to the weekend. So see you on my next videos. Cheers.